We are here at Cebu Park Residences turning over our RFID automatic boom barrier gate. The team is removing the previous old manual boom barrier. The new RFID automatic boom barrier is now being unloaded. After installation, the motors are tested. The RFID software being set up before test run. Final testing and run-through of the RFID automatic boom barrier gate to make sure that we can deliver a very good and reliable product. Kindly remember to badge in individually. Thank you so much JECO Development Corporation for trusting us. Installers PHIT Solutions, providing you with a brighter tomorrow.